Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today, as you can see, we have made an sign up form using Tkinter Python. So let's enter. Yes, Sharma. Okay, random. Okay, password. Anything. Confirm password. Okay. GYKLG. Okay. Now if you click on register now, then it will show a message like this. Okay. If it's our password also. Now if we will not enter any of one of these fields, then it will show error like that please fill out all the fields. So let's go and try our code. Okay, for that, first of all, we will import modules that are tkinter. So from tkinter import python, everything. Now we will import from tkinter, we will import message box. Okay, after that we will define a screen. Okay, give it a geometry 600 by 600. Okay, now we give it a title as res form. Okay, now we will give a text at the top that is register. Okay, register font Arial 32, foreground as black, and back we will place it at x equals to 20 and y equals to 40. Now we will give another text just below that. That text will be equals to create your account. Okay, same font Arial and 18, foreground as gray. Okay, we will place at it x equals to 190 and y equals to 100. Now let's run and see how it looks. Okay, so it looks like this. Now let's move further. So after that, we will define an entry visit I1 on the screen and give it a font as Arial 16 and foreground as gray, and width we will set it as 13 by border 0.5. Now first we will insert the first name text as a first name and place it at x equals to 120 and y equals to 170. Now we will bind a two function. One is for focus in, that is on entry click. Okay, another one is on focus out. Okay, on focus out. Okay, similarly we will make one more entry visit, name I2. Okay, so copy paste. Now similarly we will create this as I2. Okay, similarly we will make three more entry visits and changes as name as last name and emails, password and confirm password, and by changing their function name. Okay, sorry, by function that we have bounded. Okay, x equals to 320. Now I'm skipping this part. Okay, so as you can see, I have made three more entry visits with changing their function name like this: on entry click 2, on entry click 3, on focus out 3, on entry click 4, on focus out 4. Okay, so let's make this function now. First we will define on entry click. Okay, take event. Okay, now if user will click on that entry visit, then if I1.get equals to first name, then we will delete that name. Okay, and takes the input from the user. Okay, it's at 0 empty and set its foreground as black. Okay, now we will define on focus out, means user switch to another entry visit, and if he doesn't enter anything, then we will again give it a name, that is first name. Okay, and set its foreground as gray. Now let's move further, copy these functions. Okay, control C and paste it. Control V. Now let's change their name. On enter click 1 and I1.get equals to last name. Okay. On focus out 1 and last name. Okay. On focus out 1. Okay. Now let's make another functions. Control V. Okay. Change their names to on focus out 2. Okay. On focus out 2. Yes. And email. Okay. Similarly in this also email. Okay. Similarly we will do all these we will make all these function for every entry visit. Okay. In this 3 okay. Password, change password. Okay. Hope you are getting, guys. Password. Okay. Similar last one function. Okay. Control V. On enter click 4. On focus out 4. Okay. Name as confirm password. Confirm password. Okay. In this also confirm password. Okay. Oh sorry, I forgot to change the names from I1 to I2. Okay. I2 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 I2. So similarly you can do like that only. So sorry, I3. Okay. So I am skipping this part. Okay, as I have done all, now let's run and see how it looks. Okay, so till now it looks like this. Okay, now let's move further. Now we will make a final button. The button on a screen font we will give it as Arial and 16. Okay, text as register now. Okay, background as green, foreground as white, and width equals to 30 and border equals to 0, and command we will give it as reg. Okay, and place it at x equals to 120 and y equals to 410. Okay, now let's make the function reg. So define reg. Okay, so if we will make out the condition if I1 dot get equals to first name, okay, or I2 dot get equals to last name, means if user doesn't enter any one of these fields. Okay, or I14 get equals to password, or I4 dot I5 dot get equals to confirm password, then we will show error. Show message box dot show error. Please fill out these fields, all above fields. Okay. Now else we will show a message box dot show info. In this video we will make a formatted string. Okay, so congrats in bracket I1 dot get means the name of the person that you have successfully signed up. Okay, and your password is bracket I4 dot get. Okay, this is our formatted string that will show. Okay, so let's run and see. Okay, as we have done, guys. So hope you have enjoyed, guys. Thanks for watching. Thank you.